Oh yeah.
Pick up, pick up. Told you once, I'll tell you twice, baby, I apologize.
Welcome and welcome back, roses. This is Olena, otherwise known as OlenaRosanne, and today I am going to share with you guys a wig, but this wig is in a color you probably thought I would never try. But you're wrong. So before we get all the way into that, make sure you go ahead and subscribe if you like to see hair videos and beauty, lifestyle, you know, things like that. Turn on your notification bells, give this video a thumbs up, and leave me a comment. So I wanted to go ahead and try a gray hair wig because your girl is going gray. She's going gray up underneath here. And don't even get me started on my eyebrows. You know, I'm thinking I want to try some gray wigs. I really do. And I've always loved the color of gray hair because it runs my family fairly early. So, I mean, my youngest son, he's 15, he had gray hairs. I mean, I have siblings that started getting gray hairs in their teens, and my mom did too. So, I was a little bit late to the party with starting to get some gray hairs. Now that I am, I'm excited. So anyway, what I have here is a wig. You guys have heard me talk about TEMU before. If you haven't already, make sure you check out my other videos. But TEMU is an online shopping place where you can buy any and everything you can think of. All kinds of stuff. So, y'all, I hope this looks good. So, the tag says Fashion Wigs. In it, I got a wig. Oh, this is the first time I got a black wig cap. That's the first time ever, and there's two of them in there. Ooh, thank you for that. I have never, in all the wigs I have ever tried, got a black cap. And let's go ahead and take a look at this wig. Let's not waste no time. So, take this out. Ooh, yeah. I got the sweater on just for this video, just because it's gonna match my nails, but I'm hot. Okay. So first off here, this is beautiful. I can already tell it's gonna look like the picture or somewhat like the picture. And I'll go ahead and include the picture somewhere on the screen here, but this is soft. It feels like human hair. It's not overly shiny. In fact, the sheen is perfect. And we have the black going into gray. Now, parting space, yeah, there's a lot of hair up there and some lace. Just a little piece of lace, nothing along the hairline on both sides. But there is, I don't know if you guys can see, there's combs just like you would find in clip-ins. These are, hold up. Okay, so that comb is about to come out right there. I don't care because I'm not going to use them, but if you want to know. And if I want to go ahead and sew this down, all I need is a needle and thread. That ain't no thing because this didn't cost nothing. Okay, we got adjustable straps. Is there a comb back here? No, there's not. Okay, let me turn this inside out so you can fully see. So that's what it's looking like. A nice airy cap. Okay, go ahead and take this off. Surprise! This is what alopecia looks like, you guys. So anyway, yeah, you may see me wear more wigs in color you want to see me try. Go ahead and let me know if you want to send me a wig. Go ahead and do that because things are expensive. All right. Oh, wow. Okay. Let's go ahead and try this on. Let's see what this is gonna look like. So here we go. No smell at all. Wait, is this a left or right side part? Let me see. Those ear tabs. So, okay, so this is a slight left side part. I don't know what. Oh, this is cute. This is cute. Oh, okay, gray hair beauties. Gray hair beauties. Look at this. Oh yeah. Look at that. This is me. I'm gonna be the flyest auntie, grandma, whoever. Yeah, this is gonna be me. Now the part I wish went all the way, at least back there. It does not, so it does stop a little short. It's kind of thick right there. That's real thick. Well, we're just seeing some, so oh wait. I don't know how this is gonna take to heat, so I don't know if I want to go there, but we're gonna just see what we can do here, okay? We're just gonna see. Oh, these curls are beautiful. Oh, this is beautiful. So if you happen to be older or you just want some gray hair, because I've been seeing a lot of gray hair, even in human hair wigs coming out. I have to put this for, ooh. It's beautiful. And there is layers cut into this, y'all. Look at that bang. Look at that bang. Okay, so I'm gonna have to put like baby hair or something. I'm not sure what this is gonna look like because I don't think the foaming lotion was working very well on the synthetic hair, and I was sweating and it was just, I don't know. Okay, you know what, I'm about done. I'm not gonna do no more. You guys get the point. You comb it the way you want to. We do have shedding. I did, you know, cut some into it, but you know, it does have shedding, but not a horrible amount. I'll turn around so you guys can see what it looks like. Perfect texture. Oh, this is beautiful. So anyway, got out and creased up my makeup and marked it up, and it looked crazy. Either way, tell me what y'all think. What do you think? Yeah, this is so fly. I think I would push it over a little bit more because I want this to be a deep side bang. But this is gorgeous. This is gorgeous. So would you try some gray hair? Would you try some gray hair? I mean, now that I did this, I might as well try blonde, right? Let me know below, have you already tried some gray hair? Would you wear this just because? I would wear this just because. This is gonna look good with the hat on, hat off. It doesn't matter. You know, work with this hairline a little bit more, flatten this down just a little bit more, but this is gorgeous. Y'all better go get this because I have a feeling this one's gonna sell out. Matter of fact, I had this in my cart for a long time because this did sell out one time when I was piling stuff in my cart, and then it came available again. I need all colors. Oh, this is, y'all. I can't stop looking at it, but this video can't go forever and ever and ever. So anyway, if you like that I tried some gray and something a little bit different, make sure you go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, hello, I'm glad you're here. I hope you decide to subscribe and cut on your notification bell. If you are one of my returning roses, thank you so very much for continuing to support your girl. Share this with someone who hasn't seen a gray hair beauty in a while. I'm 48, so like I said, I'm already going gray. So whether you gray or not, either in a wig or natural, it's just, you know, you can still be cute. It's not over. And gray wigs ain't like gray wigs were back in the day. Thank goodness. We got so many options. So if you guys want to see some more gray haired options on this channel, let me know down below. If you want me to try different colors, let me know down below. I want to try some blue, some green. I want to try it all, you know, because depending on how you feel will depend on what hair you want to wear or not wear that day. Okay, so anyway, I'll talk to you later, Rose.